My Sigma is a personalized hub for Sigma UK customers. Here, you can take advantage of the Sigma loyalty scheme, create a collection of your products, register a warranty, create a wish list, book and manage repairs, and manage your orders and events. Let's take a closer look. From the My Sigma dashboard, start in My Collection. This is where you can register your Sigma products. To add a product, enter the last 6 digits of the barcode. Or you can search for a product by typing it here. Enter the serial number, the date of purchase, and the retailer name. Once added, you may also be asked here for your address for your product's warranty registration. If the product is a lens purchased new from an official UK retailer, you'll earn 1 loyalty point, or 3 points for a camera. You'll also see that you're now a bronze member. Silver membership requires 3 points, and gold requires 5. Each tier offers a range of benefits, including longer warranties, discounted repairs and workshops, a priority repair service, and discounted or free product health checks. You can read the full terms and conditions of the loyalty scheme and details of qualifying products here. Back in My Collection, you'll find useful links related to your products, including firmware updates, compatible accessories, and user manuals. Next in the dashboard is My Wishlist. This allows you to save products you're interested in owning in the future. You can add items by selecting a product category and choosing from the list. This is also a great way to quickly compare key specifications between similar products. Items can be removed at any time by clicking the heart icon. Returning to the dashboard, the My Repairs section lets you book a repair with a technician at our UK service centre. Simply complete the form and follow the instructions. In the View Repairs area, you can track current and past repairs, read technician notes, approve estimates, and make payments where required. Next is My Events. Here, you can book Sigma workshops or explore upcoming local shows. Any events you've registered for will appear in this section. Finally, we'd like to introduce Sigma Credit. When you purchase directly from sigmauk.com, you'll earn 3% of the purchase value as Sigma Credit, which can be applied at checkout on your next order. Your available credit is shown here. For further details and terms, click here. Get started at sigmauk.com.